We have Sherri here, and we did the lumbar DD procedure on her a couple of months ago. We did platelet core plasma into her multifidus muscles. We did a platelet lysate epidural, and we did intra-articular facet joint injections, as well as supraspinous, intraspinous, and ligamentum flavum PRP injections. So Sherri, prior to the procedure, what was your pain score?
It's probably about a 7, 8, around that. Could be 9 on occasion.
Okay, and then what kind of things could you not do prior to the procedure?
Well, I really couldn't do a whole lot of any exercising. A little bit of walking. That was about it.
Okay, all right. And so, a couple months after the procedure, how much better is your pain than it was prior to?
Oh, it's probably about 80% better.
Okay, great.
A lot
great.
better.
And when did you start noticing that improvement?
That was almost right away. I mean,
Okay.
after probably a day or two, it got a lot better.
Okay, that's really good. That's really good. We usually see that improvement at about 6 weeks, so that's excellent.
No, it was definitely, I was surprised, but it was a lot better really quickly.
And so what are you doing now that you really couldn't do prior to the procedure?
Well, I'm doing a lot more exercising. I do a lot more walking for a longer period of time. I can actually, do exercising, get on my bike and ride my bike. Do the elliptical, which I couldn't do before.
Awesome. Okay. Well, I'm so glad that we're able to help you.
Me too. Thank you.